One of my favorite things as a makeup lover is when I discover products that have everything I need for a full face look in one product. And I can't wait to share this one here with you today. Hey everybody, today I have filmed a tutorial and I have a mini review on Deck of Scarlet. This product is a box that contains, everything's out of here so I'll show you in a second, but it contains a palette and 2 liners. So as I was saying, I took everything out of the box, and the box includes this pretty palette right here. This is Deck of Scarlet 7 and 2 liners. So you have everything you need in here. So in here, by the way, this opens up in 2 pieces. You have everything you would need for a full face look. You have your face products, your eyeshadows, and you even have 2 lip shades. And I've used every single product that you see here in this pan today on my face. And I created kind of like a 90s inspired look with it. So it's very versatile, whether you're going for like spring, summer, even I can even kind of get some fall vibes with the browns, like the brown and the taupe. So it's like you get a lot of options with this palette. And look at this. You can close up the lip products while you're using the powder products, so the powder products don't get into the lip products, which is convenient. It also comes with a lip liner and an eyeliner, so you're able to pretty much finish up your look a little bit. The only thing that, of course, this doesn't come with is like your foundation and your brow product. Although technically, I mean, you could probably use these 2 shades to like fill in your brows if you're in a pinch. So, I'm gonna quick do swatch on my finger so you can see. We got Starry Eyed, Bora Bora, and Bronze. Starry Eyes, Bora Bora, and Bronze. Then we have Roxstar and Lovesick. Roxstar is the highlight, Lovesick is the blush, and I'm wearing both of them today. The blush was a bit strong, I had to shear it out, and both lip shades you'll see on my lips. I don't want to stick my finger in there. So now that you know a little bit about the products, let's start the tutorial.
So I'm starting this tutorial by taking out my Deck of Scarlet palette from its outer sleeve. I love that there are 2 sides, a powder side and a cream lip side. You can open each individual side one at a time so there isn't any powder getting into your lip products. The first shade that we're starting with is shade Starry Eyed, and I'm applying this all over the lid. From lash line to brow bone, this shade is going to prime my lids and make blending the other shades easier. I love that this is a shade very close to my natural skin tone. It's a perfect everyday shade. Now I'm going to be applying the shade Bronze, and I'm going to be focusing this on my outer V area, and as you can see I'm doing very short, almost circular strokes, and then slightly whisking it across into my crease. This is also going to work as a transitional shade. This shade I had a little bit difficulty using. It was a little bit hard to blend, and I did find that it applied a little bit patchy. I think over a cream primer this would have applied better, but it definitely took a little bit of building up to really get an opaque finish with this shade. I think I would have liked it more if it was just slightly more pigmented. The next shade I'm going to be using is Bora Bora, and I'm going to be applying this from the inner corner of my eye to the center of my lid. This shade was a bit sheer, and I think it'd be perfect for every day, but if you're trying to get the same shade that you see in the pan, you're going to need to build it up a little bit. So I suggest either using the shade wet or applying over a cream primer. As you can see, it's taking me quite a few layers to get that opaque finish, and I am using a dense brush to apply this. Once I've applied this to my lid and I've brought it to the center of my lid, I then blend it out to merge the shade, the outer V shade, with the inner corner shade. A fluffy brush helps to blend these shades together, and I had no issues with blending. Using the included liner, I'm applying it to my waterline to brighten the eye, and I'm also going to be applying this to the inner corner of the eye. This pencil was a little bit shimmery, so it really brightens up the eye, and I think you can use this as a base. For my cheeks, I'm going to be applying the highlight Roxstar on my cheekbones. In the pan, it looks a little bit flat, but it really allows you to illuminate it from within highlighted look. I really loved this highlight. It was very easy to work with, and it didn't accentuate pores. I'm also applying this to the center of my nose and my cupid's bow. For my blush, I'm going to be applying the Lovesick blush, which is a bit pigmented on my skin tone. I didn't expect it to be so pigmented, but simple blending out really helped to sheer it out. I like that it was easy to sheer out, and I like that it was easy to blend. I had no issues whatsoever with it. For my lips, I'm applying the cream lip shade in Swept Away. This is a darker shade, but it's not too dark that it'll be too vampy or overpowering. It's definitely great for spring, and you can also build or sheer this out. I'm applying this as almost a liner to kind of define the lips, and I'm applying the shade Smooch to the center of my lips, and I'm blending it out into the liner that I just did with Swept Away. If you notice, it really helps to create a custom nude lip that flatters my skin tone. So combining these two shades, you can get your perfect nude and define and highlight. I'm also going to go in with the included lip liner to add just a little bit more definition to my lips and make them look a little bit fuller. I find the combination of the creamy glossy cream lipstick and the pencil helps to give the illusion of larger lips. You of course can skip this if you'd like your lips to look a little bit smaller. And that completes my Deck of Scarlet April 2018 look.
So overall, this product performed decently. I bronzed, and Bora Bora gave me a little bit of an issue in that bronze was a little bit streaky. I mean, like, I applied it and it was like patchy, where it's like I was trying to sheer it out and there was like pigment here and here but not here, and no matter how much I tried to connect it, it wasn't working. And as for Bora Bora, it took a lot of layering. Like, I got so tired with using my brush, I just started using my finger. So for these two shades, I would really suggest using a primer on your lid, and when I did use a primer on my hand, it actually fixed that whole situation up. So definitely use a primer and you should have no problems whatsoever. The blush was a little bit pigmented for my taste. I would have liked it to be a little bit sheerer, but because it's so pigmented, it's going to work on more skin tones. So, you know, I give them kudos for that, because I think that that's amazing that you can use this product on multitude of skin tones because it has that pigmentation. I really liked that Roxstar in the palette. It looks like a muted highlight, but then you put it on and you get that bam glow. That was a surprise, a very pleasant surprise, and I really liked it. The liners were very creamy and easy to use. They didn't tug, and I really do like the packaging, and like I said, I like that they offer it with two sides, so you don't have to worry about contamination, and it does come with a mirror. So very easy to use. And now this is the Deck of Scarlet for the month of April, so this is a monthly type subscription or monthly type of product, and it is available through Scentbird. By the way, I have raved about Scentbird in the past. If you guys aren't familiar with the brand, they offer like a subscription service to perfumes, so you can try perfumes out. So I've always loved the brand, and so I'm really happy to see that they ventured off into makeup. If you'd like to save 10% on any purchase, there is a promo code CORAL and you will save 10% if it's your first time trying out the Deck of Scarlet subscription, or if you just want to pick up a month. Have you guys ever tried Deck of Scarlet? I would love to know what you guys think or what your experiences with it have been. I did receive this product complimentary from Scentbird through Oxley, and all opinions are 100% my own. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like and follow. Also, if you aren't already, please head over to Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow. I'm always posting food, fashion, swatches, little mini reviews, little clips from my videos here, and of course my makeup of the day, which features all of the products that I've used in my makeup recipe. So if you'd like to recreate a look, or you're just interested in a product that I've used, a specific product, you can find it on that list in that photo. So it's very easy to keep track of my looks. If you want to say copy, or you're like, what's that lipstick, I want to know, it's all right there on my Instagram, so please do go check it out. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.